फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल मैथमेटिक्स सॉल्यूशन। पिछली वीडियो में हमने चैप्टर ट्रिग्नोमेट्री एक्सरसाइज 8.2 का फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन कंप्लीट कर लिया था। आज हम करेंगे नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। हमारा क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 है एक्सरसाइज 8.2 का। चूज़ द करेक्ट ऑप्शन एंड जस्टिफाई योर चॉइस। हियर वी हैव गिवन MCQ type questions and we have to find the correct option. So let's start with the part 1. Part 1 is 2 tangent 30 degree and 1 plus tangent square 30 degree. Here option are sin 60 degree, cos 60 degree, tan 60 degree and sin 30 degree. So let's find the correct option. We know that value of tangent 30 degree is 1 by under root 3 because sin 30 is 1 by 2 and cos 30 is under root 3 by 2. So when we divide them, we will get the value of tangent 30 as 1 by under root 3 divided by square of value of tangent at 30 degree. So we will square it. Here it becomes 2 by under root 3 and here square of square root 3 is equal to 3, as I told you in the previous video that under root 3 is equal to 3. Now take the LCM in the denominator. 3 plus 1 divided by 3. 2 under root 3, it becomes 3 plus 1 4 by 3. Now change the division sign. When we reverse this value, the division sign will change into the multiplication sign and the denominator will become numerator. So here 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. We are left with 3 divided by 2 under root 3. We don't have to multiply 2 with 3 because it is without square root. So we will write 2 under root 3. Multiply it with the number outside the square root sign. Now we haven't reached our answer yet. So as I told you earlier that we have to remove the square root sign from the denominator. So we will do what we will do, we will rationalize here. इसको rationalize करेंगे तो आपके पास यहाँ पे क्या बन जाएगा, 3 under root 3 2. अब 3 under root 3 मल्टीप्लाई बाई under root 3. क्या आपको बताया था मैंने, under root 3 multiplied by under root 3 is equal to 3 by, because when they are both multiplied then the square root of 3 cross 3 will be 3, because we have, when we find the square root of any number we take one number out of the pair. So here we will get 3. Now this 3 goes with this 3 and we are left with 3 under root 3. Now here we have given the option sin 60 degree and we know that the value of under root 3 by 2 comes as a answer only at the value of sin 60 degree. So it is equal to sin 60 degree. So our A option is correct here in first part, because cos 60 degree is equal to 1 by 2, tangent 60 degree under root 3, sin 30 degree is equal to 1 by 2. So our correct option is first A. Now let's do the second part. Second part is 1 minus tangent square 45 degree and 1 plus tangent square 45 degree, and we know that value of tangent 45 is equal to 1. Here we write 1 and square it. 1 plus square of 1. Now 1 square is equal to again 1. Here 1 plus 1. 1 minus 1 0. 0 by 2 is equal to 0. Now see at which value of trigonometric ratios, at which angle the value is 0. Here tangent 90 degree. Here we have 1 as the option, sin 45 degree and 0. So we get the 0 here. So the option D is correct because we got the 0 as the answer in the given options. Now for the third part we have sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a is true. The value of sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a when a is equal to 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree. So let's start with the first option, sin 0 degree. When angle A is equal to 0 degree, left hand side will become sin 2a. Put the value of a 0 degree, you will get 2 multiplied by 0, again 0 degree, and the value of sin at 0 degree angle is equal to 0. Now right hand side, 2 sin a. Put the value of sin a, that is 0 degree. So again sin 0 is equal to 0, 2 multiplied with 0, 0. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. So we have reached our answer. This is true when a is equal to 0 degree. So our A option is correct here. Now part number 4. Part number 4 is 2 tangent 30 degree tangent 30 degree 1 minus tangent square 30 degree 1 minus tangent square 30 degree. Now value of tangent 30 degree, as we did in the first part, is 1 by root 3 and 1 upon 1 minus root 3 square. Here it becomes 2 root 3 and 1 square root goes with square, so we will left with 1 by 3 here. Now take the LCM in the denominator. 2 by root 3, it becomes 3 minus 1, 2 by 3. Now reverse it. 2 by root 3, 3 will go upward. Now 2 goes with 2. We are left with 3 in the numerator and square root 3 in the denominator. Now we have root 3 here, so always try to remove the square root term in the denominator. To remove it, we will rationalize it with square root 3. So we are left with 3 root 3. Root 3 multiplied by root 3 is again 3. 3 goes with 3. So we are left with root 3. This is our answer. Now let's find at which value of angle and which trigonometric ratio. The answer is root 3. Here cos 60 degree is 1 by 2, sin 60 degree is root 3 by 2, tangent 60 degree, sin 30 degree is 1 by 2, and tangent 60 degree is root 3. Therefore C, option C is correct here. Option C is correct. Now let's move to question number 3. Question number 3 is, if tan a plus b is equal to root 3 and tan a minus b is equal to 1 by root 3 and a plus b, value of a plus b lies between 0 and 90 degree, a is greater than b. Find a plus a and b. We have to find the value of a and b here. So let's find the solution. First of take the value tangent a plus b is equal to square root 3. Now we did in the previous question as root 3. Root 3 is the value of tangent 60 degree. So instead of writing root 3 here, we will write in the next step tangent 60 degree. Now compare the like terms. We will left with a plus b is equal to 60 degree. This is equation 1. Now take the second equation. Tangent A minus B is equal to 1 upon under root 3, and we know that tangent 60 degrees, the value of tangent is 60 degrees under root 3, and value of tangent 30 degrees is 1 by under root 3. So we will write it tangent 30 degree. A minus B is equal to tangent 30 degree. Now compare the like terms. We get A minus B is equal to 30 degree. Now we have two equation, and to find the value of A and B, we will use the elimination method. These are in opposite sign. Add them. Add equation 1 and 2. We get A plus B is equal to 60 degree. A minus B is equal to 30 degree. When we add them, A plus A will become 2A, and B minus B will cancel out, and 60 degree plus 30 degree is equal to 90 degree. So we get here 2A is equal to 90 degree. Therefore value of A is equal to 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. Value of A is equal to 45 degree. Now put the value of A in equation, either in equation 1 or in equation 2, as per your choice. Put A is equal to 45 degree in equation 1. 45 degree plus B is equal to 65 degree. The number which is in addition on the left side will be subtracted from the number on the right hand side. So 10 minus 5, 5 minus 4, 15. Therefore value of B is equal to 15 degree. Thus we have found both the value of A and B here. I hope you understand this question. Now move to question number 4 of this exercise. State whether the following are true or false. These are true false question. Justify your answer, and we have to justify the answer also. So let's start. Part 1 is sin A plus B is equal to sin A plus sin B. We have to prove that sin A plus B is equal to sin A plus sin B. Let A is equal to 30 degree and B is equal to 60 degree. Therefore left hand side will become sin 30 degree plus 60 degree. 30 plus 60, 90 degree, and value of sin 90 degree is equal to 1. Now take right hand side. Sin A plus sin B. Put the value of A and B. Sin A is value of A 30 degree and sin 60 degree, and we know that value of sin 30 degree is equal to 1 by 2 and 60 degree is equal to under root 3 by 2. Now take the LCM. So we are left with 1 plus under root 3 upon 2. So left hand side here is not equal to right hand side. Left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Therefore the option 1 is false. Now the second part is the value of sin theta increases as theta increases. So let's check it. Sin theta increases with as the theta increases. So we know that value of sin 0 degree is equal to 0, and value of sin 30 degree is equal to 1 by 2, which is equal to 0.5. Sin 60 degree is equal to sin 45 degree is equal to 1 by under root 2, and when you will calculate the value you will get 0.70, and you can see that value of sin 0 is equal to 0 and 1 by 2 is 0.5, 2 is 0.7. It is increasing as the value of theta angle is increasing. sine 60 degree is equal to 1 root 3 by 2, which is equal to 0.866. You can check it by calculating the value of 1 root 3 by 2, and sine 90 degree is equal to 1. So the value of sine theta increases as the value of angle is increasing. Here sine 0 2.5, at 45 0.70, 60 degree 8.66, and 90 degree. Therefore option 2 is true. Sine theta increases as the value of angle theta is increasing. Third part is the value of cos theta increases as theta increases. Let's also check it. Cos theta, cos 0 is equal to 1, cos 30 degree is equal to 1 root 3 by 2, and on root 3 by 2 we know that value of 1 root 3 by 2 is 0.866. Cos 45 degree is equal to 1 by root 2 and 1 by root 2, 0.70. Cos 60 degree is equal to 1 by 2, which is equal to, as the value of cos are the reverse values of the sine, and cos 90 degree is equal to 0. The value of cos theta is not increasing as the theta increasing, in fact it is decreasing. At 0 it is 1, and after that it is decreasing, and at 90 degree the value of cos is 0. So the option third is false here. Now fourth part is sin theta is equal to cos theta for all value of theta. Let's check. Sin theta is equal to cos theta. Let theta is equal to 0 degree. Sin 0 degree is equal to sin, value of sin at 0 degree is equal to 0, whereas value of cos at 0 degree is equal to 1. Therefore option 4 is also false. Sin theta is not equal to cos theta for all values of theta. Option 5th is cot theta is not defined at angle 0. Cot, we know that value of cot, you can check it from the table, or you can check it as cot 0 is equal to value of cot is equal to cos upon sin. Cot 0 is equal to cos 0 upon sin 0. Cos 0 is equal to 1 and sin 0 is equal to 0, which is equal to not defined number. Therefore the option 5th is true. So guys, I hope you understand this exercise. If you have any query, please write me in the comment section, and do subscribe my channel, and also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you so much.